Hey, fifth graders, it is Mrs. Demore here with you. Happy second week of remote learning. Hope you guys have been doing well and enjoying this awesome sunshine that we've had. That has been a really nice treat the last couple of days. Brass players, before starting this video, make sure you go on and do that lip slur and also instrument buzzing warm-up video before starting this. We are going to go through a couple of things today and then have a really neat activity that is a little different than what we're used to doing today. So make sure that you watch until the end of this video. To start off with, today you're going to need your Warmups and Beyond book again, and then your Blue Measures of Success book again. So have those two materials out in front of you. And we are going to start on page 7 of your Warmups and Beyond book. So go ahead and pull out page 7, which is going to be your concert B-flat major page. Alrighty, so we are going to start with number 1. This is the very first page we learned out of our Warmups and Beyond book, so this should be easy peasy for you. Here is number 1 on page 7. 1, 2, ready, go. Keeping the same tempo, I'm going to move on to number 3, our thirds exercise. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Alright guys, I want you to look down to number 6, which is called Follow the Leader. And normally we would do something a little bit different with this song where one person in our lesson group or in after-school band would play the solo measures and then the rest of us would play the band measures. But for now, I want you guys to play the whole thing. Okay, so you're going to notice some repetition because it's set up a little bit differently. So play number 6 with me, and then I'll explain how we're going to change it up a little bit. Here's number 6. 1, 2, ready, go. Since that was a new song, if you need some extra practice, go back a little bit in this video and practice that a couple more times. But what we are going to do now to mix it up and make it a little bit more fun, on all of the measures that say solo or soli, so there are 3 of those measures, we are going to use that tenuto articulation that we talked about last week. So tenuto is those notes with the lines above it that are long and connected notes. So all of our solo measures are going to be long and connected. We're going to do the opposite for our band measures. So on those ones, I want you to make them staccato. So for our staccato notes, they're the ones with the little dots above. We're going to make them light and separated. Remember, no blasting on those ones. And then, if you notice at the end, we have an all section for the last 2 measures. Those ones we're going to add those accents into. So strong articulation on those all measures. So recapping, our solo measures, those 3 measures are tenutoed. Band measures, those 3 measures are going to have staccato articulation, and the end is all going to be accented. All right, so play along with me. Here we go. Starting with my tenuto articulation. 1, 2, ready, go. accented. Alrighty, so go ahead and pause this video. Go back and do that with me a couple more times just to really get a good review on those articulations that we've been talking about. Moving forward, I want you to go to page 21. I want you to go to 5.25, which was your assignment last week. The long and short of it. So page 39 of your blue book. Find page 39 of that blue book. And we are going to play through the long and short of it again. So really paying attention to our tenuto and our staccato articulations. Play 5.25 with me. And this time, I want us to play it with a forte dynamic. There's no dynamic written in, so we're going to play forte. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, let's do that one more time. We're going to go a little bit faster, and then let's change the dynamic to piano this time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Alrighty, so that is the long and short of it. Moving forward, we are going to talk about your assignment this week. So this week, your assignment is called an articulation edit. Okay, you are going to be able to choose any song that we've learned so far. So it could be something older, like Star Search. You could do Long, Long Ago, Jungle Ritual, Royal Scepter, African Safari, that was a really fun one, London Bridge. You can choose any of those songs, have them practiced and ready to go, and then you are going to add your own articulations to those songs. Okay, so I am going to show an example with Frere Jacques. You can totally use this one as well. So what I did for Frere Jacques, I came into my book and I wrote in my own articulations. So you'll see I've got tenutos to start off, and then some staccatos. I also added in some accents. Okay, so those are the 3 articulations you need to look out for. Tenutos, staccatos, and accents. You need to add at least one of each of those into your song, and then you're going to record it for me. So for your submission of your articulation edit, what I want you to do is take a picture of your written in articulations for whatever song you chose, and then you're going to record yourself playing over that. So instead of showing me a video of yourself recording, you're going to record over the picture of that articulation edit. Okay, so let me play my example for you. So this is on Frere Jacques. I'm starting off with tenuto. See if you can pick up where I'm using these other articulations. 1, 2, here I go. Show you that picture one more time just so you can check and see if you were correct of where my tenutos, staccatos, and accents were. So that is my articulation edit. Again, you can choose any song that we've played so far. I would shoot a little higher than Hot Cross Buns or something like that. Try to find Star Search, Long, Long Ago is a really good one for this. You can choose any of those songs and add in your articulations. So you're going to take a picture of that and then record yourself playing your articulation edit over it. All right. right? So that is your assignment for this week. What I want to do with the last couple of minutes that we have, let's play a duet together. So find on page 20, Camptown Races. So let's play the A line together first. Okay, here is the A line. 1, 2, together, here we go. We are going to do that again. This time I want you to play the A line. I'm going to play the B line so that we can make the duet together. So you play that A line. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. That's a really fun song. And if you are playing this over FaceTime or Zoom with a friend, you can totally go faster, okay? Let's play the B line together now. 1, 2, B line, go. Okay, now our last combination. You stay on that B line. I'm going to jump back up to the A line. Okay, here's you on the B line. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Okay, and because we have a little bit of extra time in this video, let's review some other fun songs. Go to page 22. And we're going to play Music for the Royal Fireworks that uses so many different accents and dynamics in it. Starting out on mezzo forte. Here we go. Music for the Royal Fireworks. 1, 2, 3. And one more, let's review Long, Long Ago. So 3.34 on that opposite page, page 23. This is our first song that we played with the first and second endings. So make sure we're watching out for those endings. Here we go at the beginning of Long, Long Ago. 1, 2, and ready, go. this week we had some Zooms. It was so fun to see everybody and get to catch up for a little bit and see how everybody was doing. We're going to do another Zoom next week, so look out for those times and days. We're going to switch it to Tuesday to hope that maybe some people, if they weren't able to come on Wednesday, will be able to come on Tuesday. So we're going to have some Zoom chats on Tuesday. Feel free to come on in and chat. We are going to try to do some playing, so have your Blue Book and your after-school music with you if you're planning on joining that Zoom. And other than that, keep working on your scale karate. Each week I've had a couple more people become black belt karate masters, so make sure you're really working on that scale karate as well. Have an awesome week, guys. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Talk to you soon.